Alright, let's react Universe League Round 3, Unit 2 on and on full version for Team Beat. And I can see is actually, yung vibe na nakikita ko ngayon is parang nakikita ko lang sa Team Beaten. They're pulling off something different. So now let's react in 3, 2, 1, play.
Turn it on.
Funky.
Oh yeah, yeah. Keep from by me, you can see what I see. Don't
Kasi namdo yun, no? Kapag nagseryoso, alam mo yun.
settle it.
Actually, nag-iba yung aura niya kapag nagsiseryoso.
Need that you're VIP. I want it, you know I want it. Detonate, I need detonate. 쉴 틈 없이 달려왔어. Gotta keep me going, me fun. I know this ain't difficult. 숨 막히게 get some more. I just want me physical. Yeah. 눈이 보이나 계속해. What you bring, I can't complain. 어느새 또 major hero. 저별 매력 삼수.
Deep voice ni Yuko.
I'm loving life.
Kyrie. Kyrie, di ba? Kyrie. Okay. Choreography. Ba talaga yung register sa camera ni Wong Kim? Tingnan mo. Oo. Diba? Ay, saan na yun? Hindi ko makita na. Ano? Diba yung visual pag sumasayaw na? Diba? It's everything I want. Ang taas, mataas na yung note, pero yumuko pa talaga sila. And lahat sila sumayaw, ha. Okay, nice. You think. Hey. Ganda na pasok nito. Ito yung favorite part so far. Pwede yung rap. Hey. Tapos pagpasok ni Anyol. Maganda to kung binabaan niya talaga ng konti yung steps. Yan. Alam niyo yun? Kung itodo talaga lang yung movements. Wait. Ito yung part. One thing important kapag matangkad ka, when you're dancing, kailangan level kayo. So, this one, ang baba nito, tapos nakayoko naman sila. No, hindi sila sabay, but look at Namdo yun. Hindi siya masyadong nakabend kasi nga matangkad siya. Ito yung problem pag matangkad ka, kasi you have to go low talaga para pantay kayo tingnan. But I think sa viewers, sa live audience perspective of live audience angle, parang okay naman to. Pero yeah, minor problem lang. Ito na choreo. Yan. Yung choreo niyan may mas itotodo pa actually. Yan o. Para siyang kumbaga sa amin kawat na steps. parang minadali yung steps para makahabol. Yun. Ito yung part ni Kyrie. Ito yung todo na steps talaga. So which is yun yung ideal. Ayun. Wait lang. Ayan si Kyrie. Ayan oh. Binabaan niya tapos yung movements all out. Diba? Na? For sure. Oh. Yun. Oh. Diba talaga si Namdo yun pag nag-serious face? Bagay yan sa kanya mag-actor. But I'm not saying hindi sila magaling. Magaling sila. Itaas ni Pro. Pero all out pa din. Yung breathing natin na yun. Yun. In my hand lang siya bumitaw. Yun. Haba no. Nakatayo pa. Hey. Very good. Ayun, so that was Team Beat. So far, yun lang yung masasabi ko sa whole performance. They're doing great. I understand because they're actually controlling their breathing. So, yun. I think wala ding huminto. Meron ba huminto para kumanta? Parang lahat talaga sumasayaw habang kumakanta. So far, that's great for a performance. That is what I'm talking about. Choreography-wise, grabe, all out. Grabe yung binigay sa kanila na choreography. So, good job for that one. So, that's Team. I'll try to react some of their videos.